everyone, welcome to a new video for HBAR Hedera price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates and drop your questions and comments below. I will be glad to answer it. For more updates, you can follow me on X. The link is in the description below. So on Hedera, we can see on the daily we have finished 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, of course, towards the upside, having a wave A potentially or a wave 1, of course. However, let's move on with the wave A first. If we get higher prices here, then we start to think about a 1, 2. In this case scenario, we are looking, of course, for another wave B here. Of course, it might be, of course, even as a WXY, which it possibly not finished as well as a wave B, and then moving up for a wave C. However, if you are bullish here and you have finished your wave B here as A, B, and a C, of course, then you are talking here about W, X, and Y, because you are looking here at ABC and then ABC here, and then we are looking again for another A, B, and a C as a flat. So this might turn a little bit the table on, where we start to think a little bit more again about WXY, where we might see a lower wave B. Now, our proof for this is we want to see 5 waves towards the upside to say that we have bottomed, of course, for our correction here as ABC, which it might seem a very shallow wave C here if it has finished. Therefore, I'm tending to move more into bearish scenario with Hedera by only looking at this. So we were looking before at potentially, of course, a contracting diagonal here where we can see 5 waves. Almost we were looking for the 5th wave towards the upside. However, look what happened for the 5th wave. After having a zigzag here, zigzag down, of course, zigzag for your wave 3 as well for your wave 4. We were looking for a zigzag for your wave 5 to finish this diagonal nicely. However, this is what we got. What we got is, of course, a lower low after this, and that might open the scenario of a bearish, of course, scenario and lower prices, or at least longer correction. Therefore, we are not really bullish anymore, even after this pattern. So I'm tending to be much more bearish. As I said, if we open the bearish scenario, in that case, of course, we are looking at a WXY, a longer one, as we said, and we are looking here for an A. So I start this time my count exactly where Hedera has started, or the birds of this coin, A, B, and a C, where it has finished almost in actually WXY. Maybe it's not finished even yet. It can be even longer as 3 waves down, 3 waves up, and then 3 waves down, right? So it might that your wave C might extend it onto here even. And in that case scenario, I'm saying this because of what we saw here in this price action. There is something wrong with it. Therefore, we are looking possibly to a zigzag here, and this might transform to a triangle formation, right, as a corrective. And we might see here an A, B, and a C, right? And this will make it much more better, looking at 3 corrective waves for an A, B, and a C in case we want to move towards the upside. Okay, so we need to reach, I think, a much more lower prices for HBAR in order, of course, to move up, and that because of what we are looking on the lower prices here. So if we go a little bit dive inside the 4-hour chart for this, I want to see here what is really going on. So we were looking, of course, for this contracting diagonal here, where you are looking for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. However, we didn't got it because of this price action. Therefore, we have to reconsider a 1, 2, 3 here, finished actually on this point. So 1, 2, and a 3, and then 4, and then a 5. Therefore, this price action might be your 1, 2. After a wave 4 or your unfinished wave 4, but yes, it can be because you are looking here to a impulse as 1, and then it might be your ABC towards the downside, and then 1, 2 again, and then moving impulsively towards a wave 5. And in that case scenario, of course, you are finishing a wave A. So that means you are looking here at 1, 2, and then 3, 4, and a 5. Of course, your wave 5 should go lower. Where you want to reach, of course, is this low already, where it's gonna be looking perfect actually for a correction, as you are looking for a zigzag here, right? Impulse, corrective 3 waves, then impulse. That's awesome, ABC, and then you move towards the upside. Now, of course, the question is it a longer correction? So are we gonna get another 3 waves towards the upside and then finish again as a zigzag with WXY? That is gonna, of course, be our next task to figure it out, of course, guys, where you are looking. If we are taking our count from here as 3 waves up, 3 waves down, of course, yeah, it might be, of course, here a bullish, but if we are taking our consideration the birds of this coin, where we are looking 3 waves up, then 3 waves, 3 waves down, 3 waves up, and then 3 waves down. Okay, yeah, it might be this as a zigzag, right? Finished in a WXY as well. So let's see how this is going to unfold. Now, much more probable is that we just get one more low and then move up. It might be, of course, here, yeah, we can move up already with our wave C. So we're going to, of course, check if this is going to still be corrective. Just be careful with it, guys. And yeah, let's stay secure and trade safe. Of course, with Hedera is still a little bit shaky. We're gonna see if we get the low and then we move up anyway, because of course we gotta move up. We need 5 waves towards the upside. If we get this 3, therefore, of course, we are still in WXY here. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your comments and likes. See you in the next one. Bye bye.